performance techniques as well as the harmony are in these sort of tight patterns that are sort of locked together and mimic each other throughout the entire piece.
So chain like a chain link,
Yeah,
but also
exactly.
a sense of heaviness of a chain, or
maybe at parts. I think it's really just a kind of a reference to the way that instruments are sort of chained together to create these sort of like composite sounds, or they sort of are maybe also like trying to sort of break free from one another as the piece unfolds a little bit. I think chain sort of kind of can represent that aspect of the piece.
did you feel like you had an ankle bracelet on? Well, it is quite ingenious the way you weave the different instruments together so that they make these composite sounds. You know, you have these little melodies that get woven almost like two notes at once,
Yeah,
two
exactly,
notes linked together. And also the harmonies, because you have sometimes, you know, the harmony changes extremely fast, and then sometimes it's very slow. So you're dealing with what we often call harmonic rhythm in music, and you play around with that a lot. You know, this time when I listened to it, I felt like I was going levels up in a video game.
Yeah.
Is that terrible to say? Does that diminish?
No, I don't know. Not at all. I mean, you know, you sort of feel like you're kind of experiencing a sort of level of detail or kind of construction the more you listen to it. Like
that sounds better than what I said. But what I meant was really that I felt like it was amping, you know, up a level,
definitely,
and then you took it to a different place, and then the harmony would change, become kind of slightly more ominous. And then the rhythm would change and go faster, and I could see Mario like jumping, you know, a few more mushrooms.
Yeah, not exactly what I was thinking about, but it's a great experience in the piece for sure. Yeah.
Everyone has their own experience with a piece of music. I mean, it's a very evocative piece. I feel that it really brings so much in terms of the harmony and these interlocking little melodies, and the end, which is like this long tail. Into the distance. Yeah. Bravo.
Thank you. Thank you for these fabulous presentations.
I like listening to the piece without the intro, so let's do that again. And we're going to hear Alexa Rin's piece.